Welcome to this new tutorial. In this video, you'll find out how you can generate video scripts by using ChatGPT. If you want to generate endless amount of scripts for your videos by using ChatGPT, here's what you can do. First of all, go onto your browser. You can use any browser. It can be a Google or any of the other browsers that you're using, and search up ChatGPT. Once you open up ChatGPT, make sure to log in with a Google account or any accounts that you have in order to save your progress. Now, once you're on ChatGPT, you'll need to add up a prompt. You can describe the video that you want, the title, the topic, and everything you want the AI to know while making a script for your video. In this case, we're gonna tell ChatGPT to write a script for a football related video. It's gonna be a parody for the recent Champions League season, and we're gonna tell ChatGPT to make it lengthy and logical. This is just an example. You can put out any details about your video that you want. Once you've added all the details, click on enter. You'll see that the ChatGPT has started making a script for your video. It will take a few seconds and then you'll see that the whole script is ready, and now you can copy it and paste it wherever you want. You can even print it in order to shoot your video yourself, or you can use any other AIs to completely make a video. You can click on the copy button in order to copy it. And that is how easily you can generate scripts for your videos from ChatGPT. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.